Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a farewell cake for another of my child's speech therapists. I don't know why, but they seem to be rotating through, and so this one I wanted to do a little bit different with some piping, with maybe some chocolate and sprinkles, and hopefully make it really appetizing looking. Anyway, so let's get started. This is a 6-inch red velvet cake without the red food coloring and chocolate frosting. I frosted the cake. And cleaned up the cake board. I rolled out some white fondant and cut out a large heart shape. I placed it on the cake. Then I painted the words Danke für die Hilfe, or thank you for the help, with black food coloring. Then I piped some swirls around the top of the cake. I piped a shell border along the bottom of the cake. And some scroll work along the top of the cake. And a shell border along the edge of the heart. Finally, I added some colorful sprinkles to give it a splash of color. I love how this cake turned out. I think it's really cute, and it's just the kind of cake that everyone wants a piece of. My daughter's speech therapist was really grateful. We wish her all the best in the future. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.